Just letting you know, I'm at the San Francisco Beach in Western California. Cold day out here, cold and chilly. Not good for summertime. It's not summer out here. I see I got a sweat at the beach. A lot of waves, but cold waves. The sun go down an hour from now. The sun goes down. But it's amazing that the rocks, little hills, right on top of the beach. That's amazing. Temperatures, the temperature's around 60. That's very chilly for this time of the year. No good. Well, this part of California, I believe that it could be global warming, climate change, not will be cold. Nobody's in the water, so that could tell you much. Nobody's in the water. Nope. It's too cold. People are out here just chilling, but they can't go inside because they're going to freeze. I'll show you the view of the area, the Western San Francisco. Very expensive to live out here. Very expensive. More expensive than New York. High taxes, high rent, high mortgage, high lease. Without a great paying job, or if you're not investing, you're done off. You can't live out here. So west of here, I can see Hawaii's way over there, Hawaii. But right now, it's like 7:20 p.m. I wish I'd go in those waves, but could be frozen freeze. Nuh-uh. Welcome to Ocean Beach in San Francisco, California. I think this is the Pacific Coast Highway. If it's not, correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, this is San Francisco. This is how the beach looks in San Francisco. Got the nice boardwalk. It's too cold for the beach. I'm not even gonna get in the water. It's too cold. Got in Southern California for one real beach weather. Very breezy out here. Those rocks inside the ocean, the Pacific Ocean right there. Yes, it is. This is the Pacific Ocean in San Francisco, California. It's not a beach day, no it's not. I'll show you the view of the air, just to let you know how San Francisco looks like. It's outside the city. This road is the last street on the west coast of the Pacific Ocean. But right now, let's head all the way down to the beach. Oh, well, let's see. It's a lot of sandy. A lot of sand I gotta walk through. Well, let's do it. This section of San Francisco is called Ocean Beach. Nice little hills over there. So yeah, right now it's 7 p.m. There's no sun at all. So I'm not gonna catch that perfect sunset. No, I'm not. But at least I get the chance to explore the beach of San Francisco. A lot of people don't really come for the beach like that because people believe San Francisco is not a beach environment. You gotta go to Los Angeles and San Diego for real beach weather. I should say Southern California. That's where the real beach weather is at. But Central California, Northern California, not much. Look at all these waves. It's coming out from the Pacific Ocean. Not gonna stay out here too long. It's not a beach weather. So here's another, here's a better view of San Francisco, the west side of the city. Well. Bought my summer trunks for no reason. Here we go, here come the waves. I want to show you this. You can imagine how cold this water is. Temperatures only in the 60s today, cloudy skies. The whole California coast is cloudy like this. Hazy, foggy, cloudy. No good today. Not at all. I didn't come to California to see this. I come to see sunny blue skies and warm. But not today. This waves is backed up. Right now, I'm in front of San Francisco Beach on the west coast of California. Here's the view of the beach. This area is called Ocean Beach. It's not a beach day, as you can see in the skies. It's breezy out here. But people still come out here anyway. It doesn't really matter. lot of waves, non-stop waves coming in. My first time at the beach at San Francisco, but I can't get in the water because it's very, very cold. I got a sweater on, so that should tell you much. One more view. The coastline. Well, there's always another day to come out here when it's a much beautiful day, but not today, no.